had an older can opener that we wanted to replace, and we chose the Pampered Chef can opener. I'll give you a hint, this is not my favorite out of the 3 I'm demonstrating now. In fact, it's the reason why I got these other 2 to try out. This is a side opener, so you put it on sideways, and sometimes it works real smoothly, and sometimes it just doesn't go. This can looks like it's going to work for us. It's cutting around the top side edge of the can, and it does take a bit of a work to, it takes some work to turn it, and then turning it backwards to release. There's a little tip right there to lift it up, which sometimes has a hard time. I have a real hard time if the can is dented or uneven at the top. It opened this time, so worked this time, but I'll just let you know this one is not my go-to can opener, and it's the reason why I'm testing these 2, OXO and KitchenAid. I first bought the KitchenAid as my next choice because I liked the color, the sturdiness, and the price point. Handle, this part, the turning handle, very sturdy, but what I have a hard time with in this one is the handles that I'm holding in my hand that's still. They are, cuts fine, you can see. They are round and they're really wide. So to have 2 of these, I didn't like the feel of it, so hence I'm trying this one. I have not used the OXO one yet. My thought is that they are the same width across this way, but they are flat in the other direction. They've got a grip on it. The KitchenAid was a little bit more smooth. Let's open it up, and trying it for the first time with you, absolutely, this is the one that I'm gonna go with. Easy to turn, not quite as hard to turn as the KitchenAid, and oh my goodness, this handle over here is so much easier to grip with the grippy material, but also because it's flat in one direction, it's not a complete cylinder all the way around. So out of these, and cuts the can just fine. So out of these 3, we compared Pampered Chef, KitchenAid, and OXO. My one that I'm going to in my kitchen is OXO. Let me know in the comments what you like for your can opener.